Hey amigos, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to receive your pre-match alert more than 1 hour before kickoff. So once you're logged in into your dashboard, let's just take this test pre-match strategy I created. So if you go into the last page, let's go into the last step. As you can see, we ask you when should the alert be sent, and you have 3 time frames. It can be sent 1 hour before kickoff, or 30 minutes, or 15 minutes before kickoff. So a lot of people have been asking, how can I receive my alerts more than 1 hour before kickoff? Because I like to put games into a bet sleep and combine them together. So to do that is very simple. So let's go back to our dashboard. And if you click on pre-match alerts, let's just take this over 0.5 first half goals test strategy I created. If I want to see the games more than 1 hour before kickoff, all I have to do is click on the drop down and then click on track. So once I click on track, I'm going to be taken into the inside of that strategy. And all I have to do is click on upcoming. So once I click on upcoming, I am going to be able to see all the games that are scheduled to be sent to me for the day. So as you can see, these are all the games that are going to be sent to me. This game, for example, is going to be sent by 6 p.m. and the time right now is just 10 a.m. So I'm able to see games 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours before kickoff without having to wait for my alert. So that is exactly how you see games ahead of time. So let's say you are somebody who likes to place an accumulator bet. You don't have to wait for the alert. You can just come into the upcoming tab and see all the games that are scheduled to be sent to you for today. And the beautiful thing is you can actually see games 7 days ahead. So you don't even have to wait for alerts. You can just come and you can actually see the games scheduled for today, tomorrow, the next day, and then 7 days ahead. As you can see, I can even see a game, or I can see games scheduled for the 1st of October. So as you can see, these are the games that are scheduled to be sent to me for my strategy on the 1st of October. So that is how you see all the games scheduled for you without having to wait for these 3 time frames. So this is good for people who like to see everything in one go and just put their bets in a sleep together. So I hope this video has been helpful in showing you exactly how to see the games that are scheduled to be sent to you more than 1 hour before kickoff. This way you don't have to rely on these 3 time frames. You can actually see all your games for today and 7 days ahead. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.